Hello. Today I am going to make some juice from leftover fruits and veggies. So we buy big chunks or larger chunks of fruits from Costco, and once everybody is eaten 3-4 days and they are fed up with it and they said, okay, we don't want any more fresh fruits. So what I do is I make juice out of it and I keep it in the fridge for that week, for 2-3 days, and it's gone pretty quick. So let me show you how I do that. So here are the fruits that I'm going to make today, the juice, all different. So I have pineapple here, peaches, kiwi, oranges, and watermelon. And the things that will go in this juice today would be, here we go, black salt, kala namak, chaat masala, Himalayan normal salt, black pepper, carrot, ginger, and in one of the juices I would put 3 green chilies too. It tastes really good, guys. You should try it. I'm telling you, it's like amazing. So here we go. I have this measuring cup. I'm gonna put some black salt. Black salt enhances the flavor of the juice. Really, I mean, it's amazing taste. If you don't want to add anything else, that's fine, but yeah, that's cool. Here, salt, not much, little bit. These two things go hand in hand very well. Here we go. We will start first with pineapple. There we go. And you can see the juice coming out. So I think with pineapple I'm going to add the green chilies. Some taste. It really enhances the taste, green chilies, and if you have red chilies too, I mean, try red chilies too. I'm telling you, it really brings taste. Everything you experiment and you get it. So there we go. I'm gonna add little bit of water here so that anything left here, there. Now time to close. There we go. So the pineapple is done. So for pineapple, I don't like to mix anything else in this because I don't know. I think it's little bit stronger taste by itself. And so pineapple is done, all done. I'm just gonna put the cover, lid, and store it. Now we'll do the next ones. So for the next one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some peach and we will mix peach with watermelon. Alright, so let me just put the peaches in here first. Actually, instead of watermelon, I'm going to put some carrot in it. I think that will be the best one. There we go. Yeah. 2 carrots. There we go. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger too. And I'm going to put 2 kiwis in here. There we go. So that's one mix here. I'm gonna put two more kiwis. Yeah, that's cool, and little bit water to clean the thing. There we go. There, we forgot to add the salt and things, so I'm gonna add little salt indirectly in here, little bit, and for this I'm gonna add little bit chaat masala. So pick and choose what you want. It's not, you know, one size fit all. Your choice. Some people don't like black salt, so they don't add. I love black salt, so I'm adding. So choice is yours. And if you don't want the combination and you feel that, you know, I just need to make one, do it. Whatever you like to eat is your choice. That looks so smooth. There we go. Another drink. Done. Okie dokie. Now we will do the orange and kiwi. Let me put this. So there we go. I'm going to put some kiwis. The rest of the kiwis left. And here I'm going to add the orange. That's good. And that's good because I'm going to put a little bit more orange after this. I'm going to not put water in here, and we will start filling up our jars. Here we go. There we go. I think I'm going to put few more oranges in here so that you know, the flavor are balanced. There we go. And let me put some ginger. I love ginger, guys. You know, it. There we go. One more orange, and it will blend properly. And now I'm gonna put some water for the entire thing to come out. As I said, so now the orange and kiwi are pretty much perfect. There we go, perfect. So my black salt goes in here. The spoons become little small. There we go, and I can mix it later on completely. And little salt to keep it much tasty. And we are going to there we go. Wait, mix it properly. Your kiwi orange is ready. Alright, now we only have watermelon, and watermelon is going to be tasty. So I'm going to mix few things in here too. There we go. We have enough watermelon to buy itself. So I'm just going to mix a little bit orange in here, and we are going to balance the ginger Okay, so that's coming pretty good. There you go, guys. Another wonderful, drink. All set. And so you can blend, you can make it by itself. Total choice is yours. So now that you've seen, I've made already 4 drinks. So your choice, you can make anything you want. Just make sure that you know what these fruits taste like. So when you blend them together, you know what the taste will be. So make sure that you taste it and you know what those tastes look like. So it's not going to be waste for you. And these are very healthy fruits and healthy juices. Nothing here is artificial, nothing here that you've added that would make it something else. So everything is healthy. So I hope that you enjoyed my video today and you will like it and share it and subscribe to my channel too. Hopefully we'll make some more next time, another fruits and other things. You let me know what fruits you've made it and what is it that you liked it, and maybe I can try too. So sharing is caring, and knowledge is sharing the knowledge is amazing. Like you should know what to add, what not to add, and it works out like that for everyone. So I hope you like it and make it and enjoy it, guys. Fresh fruits anytime, 24/7, 365 days you can make it. There's no restrictions for you. So whichever season the fresh fruits you get, just blend them and make juice. Be healthy, stay safe, and enjoy your time, your family time, as long as everybody is in lockdown, and follow the rules. Thank you. Bye.